Hello everybody, welcome back. It is the 7th video of the AutoCAD tutorial series. In this video, we'll discuss about polyline command. The command for polyline is PLINE. So what is the basic difference between a line and a polyline? To understand this, first draw some line using the command L. And now the polyline command is PLINE. Now what is the basic difference between these two? You can see there are 4 lines here, also 4 lines here. When you select these lines, the 4 lines are selected individually. It means there are 4 different objects here. But when you want to select this one, all the 4 lines are selected together. In this case, the 4 lines are combined together to generate this single object, which is polyline. So it is the basic difference between line and polyline. You can convert lines into polyline and vice versa. To convert these 4 lines into polyline, the command is join. Enter the command and now select all the 4 lines and hit enter. Now you see these lines are converted to polyline. To convert polylines into lines, you have to explode this object. The command for exploding is explode. Select object and hit enter. The polyline is divided into 4 different objects. So this is a basic concept for line and polyline. A polyline can consist of both line and arcs. When you enter the command PLINE and select the start point, there are different options. One is specify. You can specify the next point by selecting anywhere on the screen, or there are 5 options: arc, half width, length, undo and width. First of all, I am specifying next point. I am clicking anywhere on the screen. So I have specified the second point. I can now specify the next point by clicking anywhere. But at this position, I want an arc. So to give an arc, you have to press A and enter. Now you can see different options under arc. I'm giving the second point. I'm giving the third point. So the arc is created. Now you can close this polyline by writing CL. The polyline will be closed to its starting point like this. Now if you want to select this is only a single quantity. Second option is length. I am specified the start point, and instead of specifying the next point, I am specifying the length of the line. Let's 1000. Similarly, now I am clicking anywhere on the screen. Suppose I have mistakenly drawn a line to go to the previous step. The command is undo. For you enter. The polyline will be undo to the previous step. Now if you want to give this line a width, this means these lines are of 0 width. You want to give some width. Width and half width is similar things. It means if you want a line of 100 width, you can give the width as 100 or half width as 50. So I am giving width. It says the starting width say 100 and ending width is 100. You are getting a line of 100 width. Now I'm giving half width. If the starting half width is 50, ending half width 50, I am getting same width. Now if you want a arrow shape, starting point it is of 100 width, so specifying the next point. Now I want to change the width of the line. Say the width is now 500, starting width, ending width is 0. You say I'm getting an arrow by using the width command. This is polyline all about. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.